Hi there, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. So on this video, let's talk about how to fix Snapchat SS06 code on iPhone. Meaning that this code right here means you are banned. So how can we fix this one? The first thing you're going to do is of course go through any browser you have. If you have Chrome for Android, if you have Safari for iPhone, it doesn't really matter, just open it up and you look for Snapchat support. Once you're in here, just look for the one that says contact us. Should be in the middle part of the website for this one. There we have it. So click that one right there, and from here, you're gonna submit a lot of requests here. So look for the one that's nearest to your problem. On my end, I'm gonna look for I can't access my account. And for this one, choose one that has a reason, or it's basically the same as what you're experiencing. So I'm seeing an error message when I logged in. Is your account locked? I'm gonna click yes. So my account has been temporarily locked. Look for the one that's really near to your problem. So that's going to be it, SS06. Click on that one right there. So just follow these steps. Now after that one, if you're still having a problem, go in here, look for community, look for Snapchat support. Click on that one right there. So basically what we're doing right now is we're just trying to contact Snapchat and tell them what's going on. And basically chat them, let them know what's happening, and make sure that you explain to them directly. And I'm sure that your problem will be resolved. Alright? So thank you so much for watching. I'll catch you on the next one.